What's good? Oh wow. Anyway, it's me and it's ItaliaCraft. Fucking white. Yeah, wait a sec. Wait a second. Okay. Basically, this is the video I'm putting right before that video. I don't know if I'm gonna cut that part out, but this is the video I'm putting right before that video, and it's basically this douchebag bitch stalled out 30 minutes of my life because they weren't using any moves. This is I was aiming for a polytoad sweep, and then I just got bored because I was like, okay, fine, I'm bored of the polytoad, fine, they must not like polytoad. This is Timid Nature Choice Scarf. I don't know if they thought it was hacked because it was faster than all of their Pokemon, but I just swept most of the team with Ice Beam. I swear, I'm showing you this. I'll show you the exact moment where it happened, and yeah, this is a 5-0, so that means dubstep.